welcome back to the channel. Appreciate taking the time to watch these videos as always. Today I'm in a different boatyard. It's still in the relative vicinity of where my boat is kept, but I'm over here because, and I'll put a link in the description, about a year and a half ago I put a video out on my brother-in-law's boat, his sailing boat, where he sold that about 12 months ago. He's had a rib ever since, and he sold that, but he's been longing to get back into a sailboat. So he has bought this 1978 34-foot Proud Catamaran. And it is massive compared to his 27-foot 1971 Snapdragon. This is massive. Now the problem with it, well, not this a problem, it's just very dated inside. So we're ripping everything out and it's going to completely remodel the entire interior of the boat. It's going to have a new engine, and I'll show you that in a second as well. Then you've got the cockpit of the boat, once again absolutely massive. So fuel tanks come out, engine is under here. You'll see that there's a bit of cross member there cut out. That's how they can get the new engine in there when they once they've taken the old one out. But just the size of this space to relax, this just the cockpit alone is probably half the size again of my 780 Beneteau Antares. And you can see inside everything's being ripped out. We've got some video of that. So this is just a small portion of what's come out the inside of the boat. So as you can see, you've got a leg here that drops down. So the engine's obviously just in this part of the hull here, and we'll look at that in a second. But what a beast. There's a catamaran, quite a shallow draft as well. So what's that? A metre. He's not going to change the exterior colour. But that is massive. So I think he's going to put some LED lights under here, just to light that up, and he's using the boat overnight. So there's going to be all new glass along here. So as we move on to the interior, you can see that the ripping out of everything's already started. It was also very dark. There's dark wood everywhere. It's very much of its time in 1978. On the starboard side you've got this forward berth, followed by the galley area and the rear berth there. This is all going to be coming out today. And then we've got the seating area in the centre here. What was the front seating area? This is going to be made into a bedroom here. And then as we move on to the port side, this was the heads. This could be made into a complete wet room. And then you've got another berth at the back there. And you've got this plotting desk and this seating. By the time we finished, several hours later, everything else had come out. We've now got a complete blank canvas to start the fit out. So first things, new windows, new hatch seals to seal everything, stop any water getting in. But my brother-in-law's up to the job. He's a skilled kitchen fitter, bathroom fitter, so if anyone can do it and make this into a dream boat, it's going to be him. That's it for today. A lot of work done. Still, my brother-in-law's in there doing some work. We'll see at some point if we can get a view inside the big tarpaulin area, because that's also mega interesting. But that's me done for the day. So hopefully you've enjoyed it. We'll come back in a month's time, check in on it, see what it's looking like. But until the next video, take care. Bye bye.